It's you know what? All right, state your name.
Linda Fry.
Your name. All right. And Miss Fry, how much are you claiming is owed?
Well, now with the April rent is 54.30.32.
54.32.
54.30.32.
Okay. 54.30.
5,400.
What do you have to say to that, young man?
Her payments on agreement earlier today and a couple of weeks ago after our first court date. I was gonna give her the money today as in the payment of $2,000. Rest payments of 1,200 with the next year.
He said he has $2,000 today. I haven't seen it. I've had a lot of empty promises, but I'd like to see it before I credit it,
1,500 in cash.
You have $2,000.
Yes.
Okay, so
All right, look, so you said you were to give $2,000. Okay. And then how's the rest of it going to be paid?
right.
Next month, I was gonna pay it increments of 1,000. So every time I got paid, which was like $1,200 for the next for the next month.
Is that what you guys agreed?
I couldn't understand him. I couldn't hear what he said. Sorry.
Oh, so
Can you talk a little louder? I don't hear very well.
gave to her was I was gonna give her $2,000 now, $1,000 every time I got paid, which leaves me with
Oh, he said he wanted to give $2,000 now and then $1,000 every 2 weeks. But the thing is, with the accumulating rent, it'll take about 10 months for him to clean that whole debt out, and I can't support him for 10 months.
I already calculated that. It would take me a month to pay off everything. I would be caught up in current by pretty sure the end of May.
How much is the monthly rent?
It's 1,100, and then utilities are running about 250 and plus or minus.
Okay, but if let's presume he has two pay periods each month,
Mhm.
it's going to be giving you, even with all of that, what, an extra 15 or an extra 500 a month.
Approximately.
So how do you
Then
get
a rent,
months to pay it off?
yeah, but then rent accumulates during those 7 months too at 1,100 a month.
No, but the 500 is an excess. 500
I see what you mean.
excess of
Okay.
what?
500.
Okay, so if that's based upon the figure you gave me today, it would take at 500 a month about 6 months at max to do. Well, did you guys agree on it or not? I don't.
No, there's been a lot of the police are there all the time. I mean, I've already lost one tenant over it because he's fed up. He moved out, and I don't want to lose the rest of the tenants in my house because there's trouble. Like Erwin has a volatile temper, and he does things that he may not mean to do, but he does them. Like last week, I was out of town for 4 days, and I got 2 calls from 2 tenants about the police there because he had stolen the bike of one of the tenants who rides his bike to work, and he needed his bike. And Erwin just took the bike and went to his mother's house. And his mother said she made him return it. So that I called her about it, and she said she made him return it. He returned the bike. But stuff like that happens all the time. And last week, 2 weeks ago, I was in church and huh?
Are you just not agreeing to do this?
Well, I would like for him to catch up sooner than that because his mother did his taxes in January. He's only gotten $1,000 from his tax return.
You know that.
Huh? She told me. I talked to his mother because she tells me the truth. And
Who is that? Oh,
I don't know who it is. I never met her. I don't know her.
where's she going? Why do you gotta get out? Just no. Get back up here. Get up here. Just sit down.
Oh.
Okay. No, it's judge, but sit. What? Just okay. All right.
Okay, you're all set.
Who's that? Did it work?
No.
Mine either. Mine either. Don't worry about it. Okay, so how do you know so much about all that?
Well,
Call his mother?
my tenants call me and complain. I call his mother because she tells me the truth. And Irwin tells me I've got a lot of empty promises from him. He paid $100 in January. He paid 200 in February, paid 100 in March, and nothing since.
So what do you want me?
Promises
Want me?
300, and he comes with one.
What do you want me to do, Miss Fry?
Well, he needs to accelerate the payments. He needs to pay the $2,000 today and accelerate the payments because he's
Accept him in what way?
because he's applied for a whole bunch of different things, from subsidies from, I don't know, is it AHS or something?
There's a breakdown. Go ahead.
Hold on. Go ahead.
Okay. Well, he has applied for a lot of different subsidies, and I don't know if any of them came through. I haven't seen anything. And I know his mother said that he had tax returns coming back, that would cover his deficit. But now I guess only $1,000 came back. And he has that $1,000. She told me I would get 2,500 today. He says he only has 2,000. So,
So unless his mama's been in his pocket, I have to go by what he said.
he has money in his pocket. He said 2,000.
I know he has 2,000.
Right, that's what he said. I haven't seen it, but I think he has it probably if he's saying that. I'd like to see it before I credit it.
Now we're entering risky territory. The landlord is bringing in outside information, subsidies, tax returns, even conversations with his mother. Legally, that's shaky ground. Courts rely on evidence, not second-hand updates. And let's be real, when a case starts depending on his mom said this, you know things are getting messy. But what do you think? Should the judge even consider this kind of information?
And find a way to get the rest of it.
Miss Fry,
My duty.
been before this court before. You realize you can't have everything your way.
I understand that, but I've been supporting him since November. So
What do you want me to do?
well, he doesn't want to be out on the street. I know that, but
Okay. I could probably.
I've been more than patient. I've been more than patient with the promises and the empty promises and non-payments. But if he can come up with $2,000 today and find a way to collect on all the things that he's applied for.
Hold on a second. That's not going to be up to him.
Uh-huh.
I mean, he can apply for a lot of different stuff to try to get a lot of assistance, and they say no. So why would I hold that against him?
Well, I don't know what they've said because I haven't been updated. I don't know if he's gotten anything or not.
Okay, hold on, just hold on. When's the next time you get paid?
I get paid.
Hold on, just hold on, baby. You know what? All y'all need to just calm down. Okay? This is you. No, don't shake your head at me. No, yeah, you did. Don't do it. No, did you see her? She. Don't do that. So when's the next time you get paid?
I get paid this week. I get paid the next week.
So you get paid on Friday? So you didn't get paid today.
No.
You get paid on the 24th. Which is no, today's the 17th, so 7/24, next Friday. And how much are you going to give next Friday?
I was planning on giving her 1,000. She said that wasn't enough, so I was planning on giving her 1,100, which would be a lot.
11?
Here it is, the turning point. The judge is forcing a specific, measurable commitment. No more vague promises, no more "I'll try." This is about exact numbers and exact dates. And did you catch that tension? The tenant says he'll give more, even his whole check, but the landlord doesn't believe him. So let me ask you, at this stage, is this about money anymore, or is it about trust being completely broken?
What he said is you said it wasn't enough. He said, I'll just give you my whole check because I guess I am not going to eat. And that's what he did.
That's not the whole check.
What?
Well, he told me he gets 1,300. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't always get the truth. I don't know how much he gets.
I don't either. I just have to rely upon what people tell me.
Well, I do too, but it hasn't worked out.
Works out beautiful for me. You so you're gonna have 1,000 on the 24th. What? You know what? What time is the journal?
12 o'clock.
All right. So here's what I'm gonna do. Now, if you two had to go into a conference room, do you think you could count out the $2,000 without screaming at each other, and then come back here and tell me that you got 2,000?
Yeah. Well,
Okay,
yeah, I'd like to see it first, and then we credit.
But- I know you want to see it, but I'm not going to have him like start peeling hundreds in here in the courtroom. It's just not going to happen. So there's conference rooms out there.
Okay.
You two go in there, right? Count out the 2,000 in front of them, okay? If for whatever reason you do not agree, somebody come to the door, yell, and then I'm gonna come down there and count the money myself.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So go into there, then you're gonna come back in. Let me know you got the 2,000.
Okay.
I will tell you my intent is gonna be to adjourn it out 1 week. You bring the 1,000 with you next week, and we'll count out 1,000 next week. That's how we're gonna do this. Because apparently you two can't talk to each other. So I'll pass it. Go on out there and just
Okay.
you stay right there because you're trouble. No, you're trouble. Just stay. Cause see, you'll go out there and it'll all go. No, you're gonna sit up there. You would have gone out there and started some mess, right? Just.
And that's the judge taking full control of the situation. When communication breaks down this badly, the court steps in as the middleman, literally counting the money if needed. This case is a perfect example of what happens when agreements aren't clear, payments aren't consistent, and trust disappears completely. So here's the big question. Do you think the tenant can actually recover from this? Or is eviction just a matter of time?